Good evening and welcome back to another walk video from Aruba. Tonight we are in front of the soon-to-be the Embassy Suites, the newest resort in Aruba, a couple of months away from opening, and we are heading immediately to the beach area to start our walk for this afternoon. Welcome everybody to this new video. I wanted to start here to give you a brief look at the Embassy Suites in case you are wondering about that. I know some of you are, like always asking me for like videos to have an update on Aruba. That's the reason, and also to check out the beach situation that I know many of you have asked me also to check it out. And so we are gonna try to do a walk here. Hopefully we can have access on this side. And this is definitely gonna be interesting. The starting time for this walk was 10 to 6. And wow, it's gonna be a beautiful, beautiful sunset, already is. But we got a lot to cover today, so I'm gonna get right to walking on the beach part. And the beach has been affected the last couple of months here and there. Sometimes it's been really good, sometimes it's not. And this is a beach actually that I come a lot to. I think it's quietly a very nice beach, usually under better conditions. Why I say better conditions? Because lately we have had winds from the west, and that's why you are seeing like these waves among others, and that's why one of the big reasons, at least, that we are seeing a little bit less beach, actual beach on the, the touristic part of the island. And now one of the first resorts that we're gonna, or the first resort that we're gonna take a look at is the Aruba Phoenix Resort by the DV. And then we'll head to the rest of the Palm Beach. So let me take care of my equipment first, by the way, because the water is quite high in this area. And give me just a second here. I'll get my phone a little bit higher and my audio equipment. The water is almost knee high, but with the waves occasionally it has a chance to splash in my, especially my audio equipment is not waterproof at all, so I don't want to be damaging it. Some family enjoying the last rays of light for today. Alrighty, so we're pretty much all clear now to continue our walk. Today I'm also wearing a jersey, New Jersey shirt, and this one was a gift by my friend Eddie from New Jersey. Eddie, buddy, I miss you going back before you went back. Well, we do hope to see you soon here back on the island of Aruba. And thank you so much for the gift. And yeah, so I have received so many gifts of several viewers, and you've been all so kind. Gifts from Brazil, also from New York, and yeah, many places. Man, I was rushing into getting here because I know that the sun will be going down quite soon, and it's gonna start getting really dark. But I thought a sunset walk would be nice. So should we stay on the beach side? I think we should, at least partially, right? And then we'll see what's going on. Mostly I wanted to do this walk so you can compare previous years or a few months ago. There was also a chance for rain, as you can see coming here. I was thinking I should bring an umbrella, again for the equipment that I carry with me, but I totally forgot about it. So now no chance anymore. If it does start to rain, then I'll just have to deal with it in some way. I'll probably run under one of these palapas somewhere. Usually at this time of the day, most folks are back in their room briefly, take a shower so they can go to dinner. Many folks like to have an early dinner, sometimes 6 or 7. And so, yeah. So, wow, there's water skiing with a wave runner. I haven't seen that recently, I don't believe. Let's see if we can catch it over here. This is a nice little show for you guys. That's cool. I always wanted to learn how to do that. Maybe I still will. Wow, look at this view. DV Phoenix. Beautiful. Beautiful, or what? Let me adjust my microphone briefly. And whenever I do that, it does tend to like have some scratching noises. And this is the pure ocean. I think it is. But yeah, no denying that a lot of these beaches have been affected, and that's one thing that, if you know me, I prefer to say it as it is, in that respect for sure. And it's not something we can control. You cannot blame it on any of the hotels, of course. Don't be canceling your stay somewhere because of it. There are so many good beaches, and most hotels you are within a walking distance of a good one or a better beach anyway. So why do that? And let me see if I can show you something here also. So we got these shells that are washing up because of this. So many of these are washing up here, which normally don't, at least not as many. And so people probably getting them out of the water so others don't step on them, because they can be quite sharp, as you can imagine. You can definitely cut your feet, cut yourself. The microphone keeps getting down somehow. So what I was laughing actually is that the child that's in the water is said to what I assume are the parents. They said that he wants to stay in the water another 2 hours. So, let me take also a brief right look here at the St. Regis. Right now we do know which property is going to be here, and even though it is progressing, it seems very slow still. And so why not a papiamento word in between? And if we are talking about hotels, how do you translate, how do you say hotel in papiamento? Well, it's very simple. Hotel. It's written exactly the same, but mentioned or pronounced rather, hotel. Mita by hotel. I'm going to the hotel. Oh, the water's so warm, so good. So at this beach, at this spot, where the St. Regis is being built, it's a spot where I pretty much learned to swim myself. And some swimming schools are still using this beach. So, should I pass in front or not pass in front of these folks?
Thank you. All right, everybody, just act like you like each other. Come here.
So I would say, from my judgment, I would say that despite some of the grass that you are seeing here, the water actually is just about perfect. I mean, it is later in the day, but it looks really good. It actually looks very clean, quite frankly. And as far as the beach, I think on the Palm Beach side, so far that I can see here, it might be not as wide as it used to be, but still space enough for, you know, for everybody. Is that a photo or a video? Love to take a look back at the sunset And again, so beautiful. The water is so calm, really. I mean, despite a few waves here and there, but it looks beautiful. These are the views while you come to Aruba, and I can tell you that even rainy days or rainy nights, rainy sunsets rather, can be extremely beautiful here on the beach. So it's definitely nice. Get around these folks. On this side, there's a lot of people still on the beach. That's nice to see. Because I think the sunset is one of the best times you can be around. You know, it's a beautiful moment of the day, and I think mornings are as well, most definitely. But not all of us, and I include myself, are very fond of waking up early. But the few times that I do come to the beach early, I can tell you I enjoy it a lot. It's really quiet, and yeah, it's usually a great time to be at the beach as well. So from the accent, that might be folks from Argentina maybe. And hello to the subscribers, the viewers from Argentina. Certainly have met a few, and great folks from Argentina. And my friend Paloma, I hope that maybe we can get to see each other when I am heading to Argentina early next year, if all goes right. Yep, I will be doing some traveling. Not very soon, but in the next couple of months, hopefully. We are now getting on the side of the Hilton Resort, and same thing, the Palm Pier and the Boogaloo, which is one of my favorite bars, not just beach bars, but just bars in general on the island. Just seems to always have a great time there. So are they from Argentina too? Maybe. I've met a couple also from, I do believe from Uruguay, but living in the US. So it's a pretty long flight for them to be coming from, let's say like a 6-hour flight or so, with some connection in probably either in Panama or in Colombia, probably. So yeah, this is the Hilton Resort. We stayed here, remember? For those of you who have seen the review of this one a couple of months ago already. And if you haven't, go back in the channel when this one is over and look for that video and many, many more. I usually make a walk video a week combined with a vlog. That's the usual intention, at least. Sometimes I don't make it, and sometimes I do. I also have the option to become a member of the channel, and you can do so and help me keep producing some of these videos, because it really takes a schedule, and it does cost also, most definitely does have a cost with it, and such. You can do so by visiting my channel, clicking join, and you'll get more information of the options right there. And I think all of my current members, I appreciate it a lot. Oh, this is romantic. So yeah, we are reaching now the Barcelo resort, which is this one, and it's getting, I don't know if for you at home, but for me it's getting quite dark already. Hopefully the camera is doing a decent job of keeping this one nice to watch. So I'm going to go up to the, not this pier, but the next one. And that's where I'll be ending this walk.
Stop touching yourself. You're not.
So having a photo shoot here. Piers and sunsets, ain't nothing better. Look how beautiful that looks. Love the reflection, and I don't know if you can appreciate it in the video, but it's, and I mean, like, you gotta just be here. You just gotta be here to experience this. Don't be sitting at work watching this video and dreaming about it. Just book it and come to Aruba, make it happen. And if you are watching this while you're cooking, just watch out. Make sure that the food doesn't burn because you got distracted. So let's see if we can go around this one. Why not? Just to take a look at it. Beautiful.
He's right there. The waiter's right there.
Beautiful, huh? Absolutely beautiful. So they're gonna have a photo shoot here. Does it get more romantic than that? Quite difficult. And more photo shoots. Shouldn't she be facing this way? Just saying. Just trying to be funny. I am just kidding. If you are someone that likes to be on Instagram, I do have my Instagram. I do put it usually at the beginning of the video. But in case you missed it, you can also find it in the description of this video, as well as my Facebook page. If you prefer Facebook, I'm also there. You can just click on it, give it a like to the page, and you'll be updated when I have new videos, new photos, etc., new information. What the hell was that? Watch out. You never know what you run into when you're filming these walks, don't you? Oh, this is a nice shot too. This is a nice shot. Wow. Sorry to live where you vacation, guys. I'm really sorry about it. Didn't mean it. I'm just trying to rub it in a little bit at the end of the video. Not very nice by Jairo. Yeah, give it a thumbs down. Just kidding. Oh man. So I said I'm going to stop right here at this next pier, and that's what I will also do. So we are in front now of the Hyatt. I really don't see any issues with the beaches on this side. I mean, no real issues, no real problems. I actually think that most everything looks quite good and ready for your next trip to Aruba. So with this, we conclude this beautiful, beautiful walk. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And if you have, remember, if you are not subscribed yet, oh, we got some lighting. So make sure that the lighting, make sure that you are subscribing right now before you leave and giving this video a like. Let me know if you like more of these type of videos, and comment below if you have any questions. Let me know and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Folks, thank you very much for being here with me along this walk, and nothing further. See you next week, guys. Bye bye.
Three,